Keep going. Keep going.
This knockout was insane.
You're all right. You're okay.
It's the Punisher straight out of Surrey, Canada.
Grandma's boy fighting out of Coeur d'Alene, Idaho.
Let's fight. Go out and hit. Go out and hit. Go out and hit. Don't wait. Go out and hit, Grandma's boy. Hit him. Don't wait. Go out and hit. Nice. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. There you go, buddy. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stay on him. There you go. You're all right. You're okay. Nice. Good job. You're okay. Get up. Get up and hit. Get up. You're all right.
Slow down.
Roll into him. Roll into him. Roll into him.
Nice.
Check your head. Roll into him. There you go. Get your head out. There you go. Punch. 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 There it is, bud. Keep punching. Keep punching. Keep punching. Punch. Roll out of it. Roll out of it now. Roll out of it. Release that head. Roll out. Step out. Step out. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Right there. Boy, down.
Out cold.
Red.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for the fight, man. Sorry it ended like that.
KO, and you're a winner. One match, 2 match, Penny and Dime, Punisher. Look me up.